Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel at CarOg 765. If you love classic American vehicles, rare vintage designs, and legendary automotive history, then you are in the right place. On this channel we talk about timeless cars and vans that changed the way America moved, worked, and lived. Before we start today's journey, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a classic story. Your support really helps the channel grow, so let's get started. Today we are talking about a very special and often underrated classic, the 1965 Ford E-100 Econoline. This is not just a van, this is a symbol of 1960s America, a vehicle that worked hard, served families, businesses, and adventurers, and quietly became a legend. When people think of classic Fords, they usually imagine Mustangs, Thunderbirds, or big sedans, but the Econoline deserves just as much respect. The 1965 Ford E-100 Econoline represents innovation, practicality, and a bold new idea that Ford introduced to the world. The story of the Econoline begins in the early 1960s, when Ford wanted to compete with compact vans like the Volkswagen Type 2. Ford's answer was something uniquely American. Instead of copying European ideas, Ford designed a forward control van that was strong, simple, and versatile. By 1965, the Econoline had already proven itself, and the E100 model became one of the most popular versions on the road. One of the most striking things about the 1965 Ford E100 Econoline is its design. It has a flat front, a short nose, and the driver sits almost directly over the front wheels. This cab-over-engine layout was revolutionary for American vehicles at the time. It allowed more interior space without making the vehicle longer. The boxy shape may look simple, but it was designed with purpose. Every line, every panel, and every angle was made to maximize utility. The front of the van is clean and honest. A simple grille with the Ford badge proudly displayed, round headlights that give it a friendly face, and a flat windshield that provides excellent visibility. There is nothing fancy here, and that is exactly the beauty of it. The Econoline does not try to impress with chrome or luxury. It impresses with confidence and capability. Step inside the 1965 Ford E100 Econoline and you are immediately transported back in time. The interior is basic, functional, and driver-focused. The seats are simple bench style, built for durability rather than comfort, but surprisingly supportive for long drives. The steering wheel is large, thin-rimmed, and gives you that classic vintage feel the moment you grab it. The dashboard is straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. Everything is where it needs to be, nothing more, nothing less. One interesting feature of the Econoline is the engine cover between the seats. This reminds you that the engine is right there, working hard beneath you. You can hear it, feel it, and connect with it. Driving a 1965 E100 is not a silent or isolated experience. It is raw, mechanical, and honest. This is the kind of vehicle that makes you feel like a real driver. Under the hood, or more accurately under the doghouse, the 1965 Ford E100 Econoline typically came with a range of inline six-cylinder engines. These engines were not built for speed, but for reliability and torque. They were designed to run all day, carry heavy loads, and keep going year after year. Ford knew that many Econolines would be used by businesses, delivery services, and tradesmen, so durability was the top priority. The driving experience of the 1965 Econoline is something modern drivers may find surprising. The steering is heavy at low speeds, especially without power steering, but once you get moving, it feels stable and predictable. The suspension is firm, built to handle cargo and passengers without complaint. It may not corner like a sports car, but that is not its purpose. This van was built to work, and it does its job with pride. What really makes the 1965 Ford E100 Econoline special is its versatility. It was offered in multiple body styles, including cargo van, passenger van, and even pickup-style versions. This meant it could be used by plumbers, electricians, delivery drivers, families, and even campers. Many people converted Econolines into custom vans, adding beds, cabinets, and creative paint jobs. In many ways, the Econoline helped start the American van culture that became popular later in the 1970s. In the 1960s, America was changing fast. Businesses were growing, suburbs were expanding, and people needed vehicles that could adapt to new lifestyles. The Econoline fit perfectly into this era. It was affordable, easy to maintain, and incredibly practical. Ford dealerships across the United States sold thousands of them, and they quickly became a common sight on American roads. Another reason the 1965 Econoline is so respected today is its mechanical simplicity. There are no computers, no complicated electronics, and no hidden systems. Everything is mechanical and straightforward. For classic car enthusiasts, this is a dream. Repairs can often be done with basic tools, and parts are still available thanks to strong aftermarket support. This makes the Econoline an attractive classic for collectors who actually want to drive their vehicles, not just park them in a garage. From a cultural point of view, the Econoline also has a special place. It was used by bands to transport equipment, by small businesses to build their dreams, and by families to explore the open road. Many stories are connected to these vans. Every scratch, dent, and faded paint job tells a story of hard work and adventure. When you see a restored 1965 E-100 today, you are not just looking at a vehicle, you are looking at a piece of living history. In today's classic car market, the 1965 Ford E-100 Econoline is gaining more appreciation. Prices are rising, especially for well-preserved or tastefully restored examples. Custom vans with period-correct modifications are also becoming popular. Collectors are beginning to realize that muscle cars are not the only classics worth owning. Utility vehicles like the Econoline played a huge role in shaping American automotive culture. Driving a classic Econoline today is a unique experience. People smile, wave, and ask questions at traffic lights and car shows. It stands out not because it is flashy, but because it is different. In a world full of modern SUVs and vans that all look the same, the boxy charm of the 1965 E-100 feels refreshing and authentic. The sound of the engine, the feel of the road, and the simple driving dynamics remind you of a time when vehicles were built with purpose and personality. There is a sense of connection that modern vehicles often lack. You feel involved, engaged, and proud to be behind the wheel. The 1965 Ford E-100 Econoline is also a reminder of Ford's engineering confidence during that era. Ford was not afraid to try new layouts and designs. The cab-over concept was a bold move, and it paid off. The success of the Econoline influenced future van designs and helped establish Ford as a leader in commercial vehicles. For enthusiasts like us at Car Aug 765, the Econoline represents more than metal and rubber. It represents hard work, creativity, and freedom. It represents the American spirit of building something useful and reliable. Whether restored to factory condition or customized into a rolling piece of art, the 1965 E-100 Econoline always commands respect. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, take a moment to appreciate the details. Look at the simple lines, the strong stance, and the honest design. Imagine the stories it could tell if it could speak. Think about the people who relied on it every day, who trusted it to get the job done. As we celebrate this classic van, it is important to remember that vehicles like the Econoline helped build the modern world. They supported small businesses, connected communities, and gave people the freedom to move and create. That is why the 1965 Ford E-100 Econoline deserves its place among automotive legends. If you enjoyed this deep appreciation of the 1965 Ford E-100 Econoline, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow classic car lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to Car Aug 765. Your subscription motivates us to bring more rare and beautiful automotive stories straight to you. Thank you for watching, keep the passion for classics alive, and I will see you in the next video on Car Aug 765.